Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today. And today I'm checking my new camera, and let's see. It is evening time, and you might face some kind of darkness, not too much brightness today because it's evening time, night time, but still you can feel really good colors. You can see my artworks, my creativity. Here I have wrote something on this. Do not fear, I will help you. 14.113 Isaiah. And here is my watercolor painting Tiger. This is my favorite cartoon. This is my favorite cartoon character from the Winnie the Pooh. And here is Winnie the Pooh. You can see Winnie the Pooh and Tigger, and he is welcoming his friend Tigger in his home at midnight by holding a candle in his hands. This is really such a beautiful artwork, really nice view. Everybody loves their friend just like Pooh. We all need a friend like Pooh and Tigger. I hope you mention if you have any friend like Pooh and Tigger, mention in the comments below their names. And here is Uncle Scrooge. So many people are fan of DuckTales, everybody's favorite cartoon, childhood cartoon. So many people are grown up by watching these tales, DuckTales, Uncle Scrooge, Donald Duck, so many stuff we have seen in this cartoon. He's really a rich guy, rich Uncle Scrooge. You can also call him rich because he's a rich guy. And a few of my watercolor paintings we are going to see in my red diary. Here it is. This is pink rose, and here we have written with brush color pens with this rejoice always. Thessalonians 5:16. This is a rose, watercolor rose. Be the light. Matthew 5:14. Forgive and you will be forgiven. Luke 6:37. Do everything in love. 1 Corinthians 16:14. And here is our very special art, very special drawing, very special painting, watercolor painting of mermaid Ariel. And here love never fails. 1 Corinthians 13.8. I hope everybody love my stuff, and we are going to create more works and more pages are yet waiting to fill up. We have so many pages to fill up yet. So this is my color palette, my brush colors, and I was practicing here on this page for calligraphy stuff. And here are my other tools. This is the look of my studio. You can see all of my stuff here. This is my drawing table where I do all kind of drawings. This is my studio. I hope you love my studio. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.